Alrighty, good afternoon. Hope you're having a good day. So I took one trade, just like a little scalp pretty much in the PM, and that was it. So yeah, today was, for the most part, was just going to be a no trade day, but I took a little scalp. I thought it was a pretty good opportunity, but looking at the 1 hour, on market open, we pretty much just sold off to the downside here. I was sort of looking for maybe these highs to get taken, but we left all this buy side for another date, but we came down. We had this like 1 hour, which I didn't have marked out at the time, but we had this unfilled 1 hour, this little low that was sitting in here, sort of like a minor sell side level. But looking at ES, we ended up coming down and tapping this daily order block. We did have this massive daily fair value gap, which we're still holding on to, so I don't know. We'll sort of see what happens if we want to start selling off here. It's possible, but we'll have to see. So the trade that I did end up taking, zooming in some more, we sold off here, and there was really no like internal sell models. I didn't take a trade in here because I just thought it felt like it was too early for me. I'm trying to stay disciplined here. We did have like an SMT at these highs here. So I was thinking maybe another manipulation move or something, but we ended up holding this this fair value gap here, this 5-minute OTE fair value gap. And there was actually pretty good setup in lunch. So if we zoom in some more around here, it wasn't like the cleanest SMT of all time, but because these lows are sort of awkward, we sort of had like SMTs back and forth. But if you're looking at this low, which is like right here on ES, which is kind of awkward, but either way, ES ended up taking all of these lows and NQ didn't, right? And then we had like a little 1 minute here, combined with that whole order block, and then on ES2 had that 1 minute, and all this generated liquidity here, which ended up getting ran through. So I'm sure could have been a good opportunity there, taking a long for like a 4-to-1 R. Pretty good setup there, but it was lunch. I don't know, I was not really looking at the charts at this time, and I just I wanted to wait for more structure to form. So the trade I did take was just like a little scalp, but I thought the model was pretty good on the internal side of it, and also I thought it looked fine externally as well. So I was sort of long biased here, just because we did sell off so much, and then now order flow is starting to shift bullish. We're holding this. We're nowhere near like discount or OTE of this range. I'm assuming the 50% is somewhere around here. So we could we definitely have room to retrace. So what made me want to take this trade was, it was sort of a combination of a few things. So first off, we had these relative equal highs here on ES. So I was actually looking right here maybe ES takes this high, we form some sort of SMT here to then start to like possibly sell off. But ES ended up forming equal highs here before rejecting a bit. So I was still pretty long biased until these highs get taken. And then we had this 15-minute order block here, right? Like this whole thing is the order block, but that's the top of the 15-minute order block. And so we just had this accumulation range, right? So I'm bullish, and we're in an accumulation range. So I pretty much saw everything that I needed to see in order to take a long. This is like the turtle soup entry. So we had the low here, we came down, we took it like clear SMT, or it's actually this low. But either way, right? SMT in this area, NQ takes these lows, ES is nowhere near these lows. And you see right after ES just gets bought up, because it's the more bullish one. But yeah, so we had this SMT, we tapped that order block perfectly, bounced to the upside. You could also see this as like accumulation here, and then like manipulation, distribution, right? So it's like an AMD model, like turtle soup. It's just, I thought it was pretty clean. Although it's like a small move, nothing you can make tons of money off of a 20-point move. But yeah, I just took this because I thought it was pretty clean. I really like when I looked at this. I kind of wanted it to be a no trade day, but when I saw this, I was like, oh, I'm really confident we go take this high. So like if I'm really confident that we're gonna go up, why not take a little scalp on it? So yeah, we had this 30-second fair value gap here. We also had like this 1 minute right here. I'm sure we also had some more internal action. This big 15-second there. Yeah, so we sort of just came down in here, and I took a long. I didn't really need to see like a market structure shift, just because of the turtle soup, the bounce off of the order block AMD model. I was just confident we were just going to get bought right up. And yeah, it was pretty straight to the point. We did end up having like an SMT about here at these highs. So right when ES took out the high, I moved stop to break even, and just let it rock, and it just went straight up. And then we even had another internal model here, and dropped down into the 30-second again, displacement up, held that and moved to the upside from there as well. So yeah, it seems more like a scalper's type of market here. But yeah, so I am going to be pretty careful this week. So tomorrow we have Powell speaking at 12:10. We also have some non-farm news, and it is non-farm week. We have Friday non-farm employment change. So from what I've seen and heard from ICT, it's not really a great week to be trading. So we'll see if there's anything in the AM or later in the PM, most likely tomorrow. And then Thursday I'm going to be really careful, and Friday I'll probably just paper trade. So yeah, I'm going to try to stay disciplined and try not to do anything crazy. So with that, hope you guys made some money, Hope you enjoyed your day. Short video, but only a little scalp. So I'll try to trade like this more often, so I can just have quick little videos. Yep, took a quick little scalp, boom, done for the day. That's definitely better than having to have a 20-minute video of me explaining all my mistakes. So yeah, alrighty, have a good day. If I take a trade tomorrow, I'll make another video. Peace out.